kéré o yá. Gbogbo àwọn tó máa ń sọ pé Òṣùpá ò mọ jójó yẹn even àgbọ̀ lẹ́nu olórin ẹgbẹ́ tó ní kò ń jó kàn máa wà lójú kan ní. Sọrí elégbè gbóṣùpá débẹ̀ nu fídíò tí wọ́n play fún yín àlàyé tí ẹ gbàgbé máìkì sọ ní bàbá ń ṣe báyìí pé ọ̀bọ̀n yẹn ti jà yàkuyà ọ̀bọ̀n yẹn gùdù gan o báyìí báwọn èèyàn ṣe pariwo kí n tó play fídíò Òṣùpá yẹn fún yín kankan wà tí ó ń disturb mind mi bákanbákan lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Barryshowkey. Ṣé ẹni tó nígbà kú tán ayé fẹ́ sọ igbá dọ̀gbun ni àbí ìfẹ́ tán ní sí Barryshowkey tán ní sí Barrister wọ́n fẹ́ fi hàn sára àwọn ọmọ àbí Barryshowkey jáláṣe jù àbójá láṣẹ ètò àbí kò mọ̀ wá wù because most of the time máa ń rí pé bóyá tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ kan àbó ṣe fídíò àwọn èèyàn máa kàn lábùkù. Ó attend interview kan lọ́dọ̀ Tẹ́jú Baby Face so ẹ jẹ́ n sáré ka comment àwọn èèyàn màá play tẹ́ bá ti wo fídíò Òṣùpá yìí tán màá fi fídíò Barryshowkey yìí sẹ́yìn ẹ máa lè rí àwọn èèyàn insult ẹ̀ gan kí ló fà á so ṣàwọn fọ́kọ̀ kan ni mi really mo much nípa Barryshowkey bó wá tí mo rí fídíò yẹn ó ṣe mí lọ́kàn bákan so ẹnìkan ní he is just showing loyalty than reality. Wọ́n ní Barryshowkey that Barry hand over his band to manage but he couldn't after doing boy behind Saheed Osupa during the hit up with Pasuma. When he was later dumped, he ran to the USA to live. Ẹnìyẹn sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn sìn so ẹnìkan wá sọ pé day and night kẹ̀ pé stop jọ pé irọ́ la bí pé irọ́ ló ń pa. Àìmí mọ̀ pé Barrister máa ń ṣe show night àti day tó máa ń pè Barrister dáadáa pé ṣé irọ́ ló ń pa pẹ̀lú pé ìlú òyìnbó ni Barrister ń gbé pé ìṣẹ́jú tó bá ti ní show báyìí wọ́n máa ń sáré fò wálé wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ṣe show láàárọ̀ wọ́n máa ṣe lálẹ́ so ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ṣáà mọ̀ ń pa ẹjọ́ tẹ́ mọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí dáadáa ẹ ràn wá lọ́wọ́ ní comment section ṣé wọ́n yé ti bọ̀bọ̀ yìí ni àbí àbúláṣejù àbó ń fọ́kọ̀ mo dẹ̀ rí pé ó lóhùn Barrister dáadáa so ẹnìkan wá ní you guys should give us his real age if you think he is lying so ẹnìkan sọ pé you are a liar Barryshowkey you are a liar where is your achievement mumu lórí ọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ò rò pé ó dáa ẹni Barryshowkey lie 13 years old at 1988 ṣé ó fi kọjú orí ẹ̀ ní àbóyọkù àwọn èèyàn like Barryshowkey ó yẹ ká wò kọ́ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ bọ́ ẹ tọ́ wa sọ́nà tẹ́ bá ti gbọ́ interview yẹn tán ẹ subscribe sí Àkọ́ TV bá mi share ẹ comment.
Òṣùpá sáyé ni mìíràn láyé tún Òṣùpá sáyé ni mìíràn láyé tún gbọ́ alábàáwé gbórí wá lórí lọ́wọ́ gbọ́dọ̀ fíìsì gbórí wá lórí lọ́wọ́ gbọ́dọ̀ fíìsì oníṣẹ́ àwọn kìrìkìrì lágbo wa. lọ́dún kìràkìrà lágbo wa. Bọ́lá Ṣadé tọ́lá bí ẹgbọ́rí fún ìwòran láyé tún. Sèrí ṣàyè ọ̀rùn ìsúté àdìsá sálàlà ẹ̀rẹ́ ní búrẹ́dì wà lóòrè yọ̀ọ́bàrà ṣọ́rí ẹlẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ èdè lórí fífò ìlú. Kó lórí Òṣùpá sáyé ni mìíràn láyé tún. Orí Òṣùpá sáyé ni mìíràn láyé tún gbọ́. Alábàáwé gbórí wá lórí lọ́wọ́ gbọ́dọ̀ fíìsì. Gbórí wá lórí lọ́wọ́ gbọ́dọ̀ fíìsì. Oníṣẹ́ àwọn.
Alhaji was rich when he died.
Oh my God. He enjoyed his life to fullest. He really. Thank God for that.
I mean, I figured he was making so much money that, I mean, how much would he typically, so what was his working schedule like at the peak of it? So let me put it this way to understand it. By the time when I was 8, when Barry at 40 came out, how old were you?
Then I think I'll be, perhaps 40, maybe I'm 14 or 13.
Okay, so by the time Barry would be 50, you'd be 23 or so. So he told you born by you. Okay, great. So when he was at the peak of his career, teacher ń lọ lójoojúmọ́, ẹ máa bá ń fi Yorùbá bẹ́ẹ̀ má worry o. Ẹ ṣe tèmi náà fi ń bẹ báyìí. A máa gbé fúnra wọn ni. So at the peak nígbà tí iṣẹ́ ń lọ, what was the schedule like in a week for Life Place?
He always goes to show every day by day. Every day by day. Every day. Every day. I've never seen any musician that goes to for shows in Nigeria than Barrister. I've never.
Till date.
To date. No one. Nights and day and night, day and night, day and night, day and night, day and night. But a lot of people doesn't know that Barrister is living in the US.
Oh.
He live in America. Anytime he stops shows, coming back to America to rest. The next flight, maybe I'll show tomorrow, going back to.
Rete ajarete o, olurete ajarete o, alomi alo o, aoye,
alomi alo dókítà fẹ́ pèdè o, olurete ajarete o.
That was because that was the album about his mother. When they I was too young by that. So at that time, if Barry at 40 is when I was 8. I think Okiki came out before.
That's the Okiki.
Yeah, well, no, Okiki came out before Barry at 40. I mean, so I was maybe 6.
Okiki tí mo ní yẹn ò tó Èdùmàrè. Dákun bá ń wá mi sí o Èdùmàrè. Ó pànìyàn kò pànìyàn. Ó pọ̀ mẹ́kú ọ̀mẹ́kú. Ó gbégbáná kò gbégbáná. You know, that's it.
Okiki tí mo ní ò tó Èdùmàrè. Dákun bá ń wá mi sí o Èdùmàrè. Look, so here's the thing. What was that story? Because I was too young, I can only hear it in the songs.
Okay.
A woman showed up and said she was.
He was the one out Barrister. Ọmọ mi ni o kìíní kan mo ya kìíní kan sí nínú, which is now, you know.
And it was all over the news, and it was a problem because it was from Shina Peters in Motukokogbo.
Okay.
Pípé Sikiru Ayinde Barrister. Wọ́n lọ́mọ ní àsìkò tó lù wá.
It's happening to me too now.
Oh really?
Because a lot of people always say, oh, it's not Barrister song.
Oh.
It was, you know, a lot of people always say what they don't know.
Kilo man fudge. I will ask Alhaji Kollington when I have the privilege. But
guess what?
Yeah.
Wọn kì í jà. It's just marketing strategy.
No.
Believe me, I always be with them. My dad and Kollington together. Barrister now told Kollington in front of me, but Kollington said, "No, I can't stop you." So in Fuji music, adding to your age, all this stuff, what is not necessary, you know. That's the reason why I respect Ayuba so much. If you respect me,